science students. Today we are going to discuss the question answers of chapter 2 standard 8 SS, and today it is the fourth lecture. Standard 8 SS chapter 2 lecture 4. We have already discussed about all four pollutions: water pollution, air pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. In these 2-3 lectures we will discuss about the question answers related to this chapter. Okay, number one, what do you understand by pollution? If asked what is pollution, what would be the answer? Pollution means something that is related to you, which harms to you, which is poisonous for your health. That is called pollution. Okay, the things which harms you, poisonous, that is called pollution. Okay, here, what do you understand by pollution? Answer: the presence of substances, or elements in the atmosphere or environment, that are harmful or poisonous to life, is known as pollution. Got it? So what is called pollution? Okay, the elements which are poisonous, okay, which harms your life, that is called pollution. Okay, the presence of substances or elements in the atmosphere or environment that are harmful or poisonous to life, are known as pollution. Got it? Next, what natural resources are essential for the sustenance of our life? In order to live, survive, which things are necessary? Air, water, vegetation, necessary na? Okay, so what natural resources are essential for the sustenance of our life? So answer: air, water, land, vegetation. Okay, air, water, land and vegetation. Okay, most essential: air, water and vegetation. Okay, so air, water, land, vegetation are essential natural resources necessary for the sustenance of our life. Which are they? Air, water, land and vegetation. Got it? Next one, which diseases are caused by water pollution? Okay, if we drink polluted water, which kind of disease we get? Okay, sometimes we know when we drink polluted water, okay, we get loose motion, maybe typhoid, okay, jaundice. Okay, these kind of disease are caused due to the water pollution. Okay, which disease are caused by water pollution? Which disease caused by water pollution? The disease like cholera, jaundice, typhoid, diarrhea, vomiting, etc. are caused by water pollution. Got it? Which diseases are caused by water pollution? So these are there. Okay. Next, here give reason. Development increases pollution. When we get development, okay, very first paragraph of the chapter 2, very first paragraph discuss about these points. Okay, what is that? Okay, development is necessary for human being, okay, for the human culture. Okay, development is necessary, but what is the problem? This development increase pollution also. Okay, give reason. Development is necessary for our life, our status. but that development increases pollution. Okay, give reason how, why they increase, how. Okay, first thing, development takes place development takes place due to the invention and discoveries due to invention and discoveries of new products and production technique. Due to the invention and discoveries of new products and production techniques, development takes place. Okay, due to the discoveries and the new things. Okay, development, we are developing, or we get development. Next point, more the products, more the pollution. Okay, now more products are there, it means we have more pollution. Okay, more the products, more the pollution. Third point, expansion of industries. Okay, developing. Now expansion of industries, road infrastructure, hospitals, etc. are part of development. Etc. are part of development. Why hospitals? I will tell you. During the in a hospital, the sick people they come, and where they get surgery. After that, waste is there, na, they throw in open ground, and that pollutes. My dear student, that is why we have to destroy in proper way. Okay, that I am going to give one question also about the medical. Okay, that I will give. Okay, so where that these things are there. Okay, the things which are used for the patient. If you keep the thing in open ground, germs are there on that machineries. Okay, the gadgets means, and that spreads the disease. Okay, that's why it is written, expansion of industries, road infrastructure, hospital, etc. are the part of development. Are the part of development. Got it? Several types of waste are created by using these facilities. Several types of wastes are created by using these facilities. Just I said about hospital. Okay, so what we are doing after surgery, we are throwing the dust, garbage in open ground. Okay, nowadays the everywhere you will find in hospitals different dustbins are there. Okay, biomedical waste, BMW. Okay, moreover, development leads to urbanization because of the set up in many industries. People from rural area, they come to urban area, city area, in order to get work. Okay, in order to get some work to earn money. Okay, so product develop leads to urbanization. Okay, that brings the people from rural area, village, to the city. More the population higher, more the population higher will be the waste that they produce. If we have more population, if we have more population, there will be high waste. Okay, more the population, higher will be the waste. If we have more population, we will have a much waste that they produce. Okay, when in a house when we have big number, plenty of things are wasted. Okay, all these waste cause air, water and land pollution, and because of this thing we are getting air pollution, water pollution and land pollution. That is why we can say development increase pollution. Development increase pollution. Dear students, my next exercise, that is also give reason. That is also give reason. What is that? While going out, people have to carry their own water bottle. While going out, people have to carry their own water bottles. Give reason. Why? When you go out, when you go to the school, or when you go for the picnic or some other things, you have to carry your water bottle. Why? Because if you buy from the market, it is very costly. Okay, And if you are getting on corrupt, okay, that water, then what will happen? You will get the polluted water, and that polluted water leads to the different kind of disease like a typhoid, jaundice, cholera. So what we have to do? We have to carry our own water bottle. Okay. So while going out, people have to carry their own water bottle. Give reason. Answer. Water pollution has increased. Water pollution has increased drastically in a big portion. Okay, water pollution has increased. વધ્યું છે, increased drastically. Second point, consuming polluted water causes various diseases like cholera, jaundice, vomiting and loose motion. Okay, first thing, nowadays the water, because of the water pollution, it is increased, and because of that we are getting different kind of disease like cholera, jaundice, typhoid, okay, then vomiting, okay, loose motion. Okay, third point, moreover, packaged drinking water is costly. If you want to buy from the market the bottle, that is costly. Okay, so people have to carry their own water bottles while going out, and that is why we have to carry our own water bottle when we go out. Got it? So I hope from today onwards, whenever you go, if you go for the games or whatever, for 1 hour or 2 hours something, carry your water bottle and go, and whenever you feel thirsty, better to drink your own water. You can drink water from your own water bottle. Okay. Okay, next point, next question, which diseases are caused due to air pollution? Which diseases are caused due to air pollution? Due to the air pollution, we may get some disease related to lungs, like a cold, cough, like that. Okay, so which diseases are caused due to air pollution? The disease like asthma, okay, the disease like asthma, breathlessness, cold, cough, these diseases are related to lung disease. The disease like asthma, breathlessness, cold, cough, they are called lung disease. Okay, and these are caused due to air pollution. Okay, which disease are caused? The disease like asthma, breathlessness, okay, then cold, cough, so that is related to lung, so these diseases are caused due to air pollution. Next question, why should chemical fertilizers and pesticides be used most judiciously? We can use, actually first we should not use, and if it is necessary to use judiciously, means in a less portion. Okay, so why should chemical fertilizers and pesticides be used most judiciously? Why we have to use less? First thing, extensive use of chemical fertilizer, if you are using in a big portion, what will happen? Extensive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides for agriculture purpose actually pollute soil. Okay, if you are using too much, which pollutes land, soil. So extensive use of chemical fertilizer and pesticides for agriculture purpose actually pollute soil, which in turn destroys the organism which make land fertile. My dear student, some microorganisms are there which helps in order to make the land fertile. But if you are using that chemical fertilizer that kills, that destroys the microorganisms, and if these microorganisms are destroyed, killed, we cannot get the good land, okay, fertile land, the land becomes barren. Okay, so if you are using too much pesticides and chemical fertilizers for agriculture purpose, actually it destroys, it pollutes land, soil. Okay, and my dear student, because of that, why become the land becomes polluted? Because the microorganisms are there which makes the land fertile, they die, they are killed. Okay, so which in turns destroys the organisms which make land fertile. Next, due to destruction of these organisms, microorganisms, due to destruction of these organisms, land become non-productive. Non-productive means we cannot get more crop, barren. That is called barren. If the microorganisms are killed, the land becomes barren. Okay, non-productive. Okay, that is why, because of that reason, chemical fertilizers and pesticides should be used most judiciously. We are to use in a less portion. Next question: which diseases are caused due to dust particles floating in air? Dust particles floating in air. My dear student, with naked eyes sometimes we cannot see. Okay, some dust particles, they are floating in air. Okay, but due to that we are getting different kind of diseases like allergies, cold, cough. Now, when if you are cold, if you sneeze, that what happens? That thing goes to other person, and the person who is getting will also affected by the cold. Okay, so that is called disease getting because of the dust particles floating in air. Which diseases are caused due to dust particles floating in air? Answer: dust particles floating in air cause cough, cold, allergies and eye disease. आंखों अभी ने sometimes we say ना आंखों आई we are saying ना, that is called because of that. Okay, because of that dust particles we can affect by cold, cough, allergy and eye disease. Okay, copy down these answers in your notebook. Next time we will learn more. Thank you.